Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
Straighten your right leg. Extend your leg in front. Point your toes. Stay. Just be there. Keep your toe fingers pointed. Breathe. Change. Other leg. Extend your leg. Point your toes. Stay. Keep breathing. And back. Extend your right leg to the side and stay. And back. Extend, stay, lift your leg off the ground. Back. Now rotate your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Rotate. Reverse. And come back. Now, bring your toe fingers inside and heels outside. Toe fingers inside towards each other and my heels are outside. Stay. 2, 3. I hope everybody is able to follow this. 3. जितना हो सके उतना अंदर. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and relax. Heels inside, toe fingers outside. Heels are touching each other. Squeeze your buttocks. Stay. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhaling down. Stay. Breathe. And slowly come up. Just move using your toe fingers. You are going forward. So it's a very slow movement, but you are using your toe fingers. Keep walking forward. Now come back. Toe fingers को मैट के ऊपर उल्टा रखो and press it on the mat. And change other side. Tassels को अंदर ले लो, toe fingers को, and gently press it on the mat. Yes, very nice. And come back. Palms on your knee joints. Rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Legs apart. दोनों हाथ कमर पे. Move your pelvic right side to left side to right side. Move. Move your pelvic. Now frontal. Right side to left side to right side. It's a semicircle. And come back. Now, move completely, a big circle, big zero. Keep breathing. Reverse. And come back. दोनों हाथ को पीछे पुश करके get on your toe fingers. पैरों की उंगली के ऊपर आना है. So inhale, you go up. Exhale, again you come on your toe fingers. Inhale up. Exhale on the toes. Inhale up on the toes. Exhale again on the toes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Come back. Now your both the arms. Now move them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. Legs apart, palms facing behind. Relax, breathe nicely, shake it out. Thumb on your palms. Straighten your arms and making small zeros. Small zeros. हाथ बिल्कुल सीधा. And only wrists are not moving. The entire hand is moving. Keep breathing. Breathe, keep going. Reverse. Zeros continue. हाथ ऊपर. Do not drop. Come on. Don't give up. And relax, shake it out. Breathe nicely, breathe. Shake your fingers, your wrists. Chalo, slowly come back. Hold your wrist. Turn your head side to side. Right, left. Look at your right shoulder, left shoulder, right, left. Come to the center, tilt your head, right, left, right, left, right, and left. Come back, rotate your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slowly come back. 1 foot of distance. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhaling down.